Got all stocked up with groceries at the good old Wally World. We are on our way down to Rally on the Rocks in Moab. Got the Logan Coach loaded up with RC trucks, bikes, and of course side-by-sides. We've got the stock XX, and in the back is the custom Project XX. We're gonna go give it a try. We're gonna rent a condo and have a fun week and with some friends and make new friends, and hopefully we'll see you guys there. Number one, Moab, Utah, with Ken Hunter and his wife from Push Turbo. We'll see if we can get this thing to run. It's having some issues, but let's see if we can get them through. Oh, we're not even it is feeding, but it's all porosity.
Well, I think you're going to get that with flux core. It's just the way it is on that.
So day one, Moab, Rally on the Rocks. We pulled the Wildcat out of the trailer and found that we actually had a hairline crack in our manifold, our little first prototype manifold we made for this thing off the turbo. And so we went to the gas station to buy some registrations for the machines, and we didn't even have to find a fab shop. The fab shop found us. This is Matt. He's on the Wildcat Facebook page all the time.
Wildcat Riders, yeah.
Wildcat Riders. And he came over to talk to us, and he hooked us up with a welder and a place where we could just quickly spot weld this together, and hopefully it'll hold for the rest of the week. And so I really appreciate it, Matt.
No problem, man. Enjoy it. You see something cool like that, you gotta go say hi. So I live in Wyoming. This is my in-laws' place here, and they were gracious enough to just let you guys ride in. I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Gracious.
I really appreciate it.
But yeah, really appreciate it, and we hope to see you out there.
Right now, we'll see you on the trails.
Awesome. It's a lot of learning these tunings. Ken from Push Turbo is here helping tune it.
We know what's coming. Rally on the Rocks, Moab, and we're in line for Hell's Revenge. So we're
we're gonna go on a ride and should be fun. Heck yeah. Is this Hell's Gate?
This is Hell's Gate. I'm looking for Heaven's Gate. I don't know where it is.
Think we should give it a try?
I think that's no problem.
Mind you, we've never been to Moab before. We're not experienced rock crawlers. But hey, that might be a little fun.
There's some sand on it.
I don't know if that makes it better. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Very nice, good job. Yeah. My hands are sick. Mine aren't. Oh no, Kenny. Shaking it off?
Yeah. How'd you like it?
I loved it. I'm glad I did it.
Glad your dad did it. We talked him in.
Yeah, you did. I told him not to.